In this video, I'll show you how to add AliExpress dropshipping products to your Shopify store. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Now, to import products from AliExpress, you'll need a dropshipping app. Go to the left side menu, click on Apps. In the search bar, type DSers AliExpress Dropshipping, which is the official AliExpress dropshipping partner app, and install it on your store. Once the app is installed, open DSers and connect your AliExpress account. If you don't have an AliExpress account yet, you'll need to create one first. After connecting your account, go to aliexpress.com in your browser and search for the product you want to sell. When choosing a product, make sure to check the supplier rating, product reviews, number of orders, and shipping options. When you find a product you like, click the Add to DSers button. This button appears when the DSers Chrome extension is installed. The product will be imported into your DSers dashboard. Next, go back to the DSers app inside Shopify and open the import list. Here, you can edit the product title, description, images, and variants. Once everything looks good, click Push to Store. Now, the product has been added to your Shopify store. You can view and manage it by going to Products in your Shopify admin panel. Before going live, always review the product details on your store to ensure pricing, images, and descriptions look professional. That's it.